Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW 3 Series boot without battery. Start by folding the rear seats down to access the cabin release. Remove the trunk lining panel carefully to expose the manual release cable. Use a flashlight to locate the cable and pull steadily toward the rear to unlatch the boot. If the cable is damaged, try accessing the latch from beneath through the wheel arch as a backup method. Begin by folding the rear seats and clearing space to work comfortably. Remove any trim or lining panels gently, keeping clips safe for reinstallation. Locate the manual latch cable and use a steady pull to release the catch. Avoid jerking motions. If access is tight, use a long, flat tool to guide the cable and protect surrounding parts. Test the boot after closing to ensure the latch resets properly and functions reliably. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while waiting during repairs or roadside downtime, and it fits easily in the glove box. I find it keeps me entertained when fixing cars or waiting for tow services. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the latch resists, inspect for rust, ice, or debris and avoid excessive force that could bend parts. Apply a small amount of silicone spray to lubricate the latch mechanism and try the release again. If the manual cable is broken or inaccessible, consider a quick jump start to use the electronic release safely. Always wear gloves and protect trim from scratches when using tools, and seek professional help if unsure about any step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.